What's happening? My name's Vince. Welcome back to the channel. Got a van about a week ago and I'm itching to go camping. Gonna pack up the van. This is my first time packing everything into the van. Gonna bring some camping stuff for cooking. Don't know what I'm gonna have for dinner yet. And just trying to figure out how this thing works for camping. Got the toilet all set up, cleaned out, ready to use in case we need it. We're gonna do some disc golfing and have to film some more stuff for Tough Outfitters for the face masks and the cot sleeping bag camp system. Disc golf bag. Can't forget the tripod. Still kind of learning where everything's going. Got some camera stuff in here. Speaker. Storage underneath this seat. It's kind of coming together. Oh, I should turn on some lights. Maybe a little easier to see. Gotta bring the laptop if we're gonna work from home. Work from the van. I can already tell this is gonna be a jumbled mess. Laptop and all the cords, headphones, GoPro accessories. Not really sure how it's all gonna work out, but we'll figure it out. I don't know where I'm gonna put all my food. That could be dinner tonight. Some Skittles and Cliff Bars. Cheetos and Skittles and Cliff Bars will be my van life food. This is taking me like 10 times longer to film and to pack. But hopefully the video's cool. Maybe it's time for the rock star. Speed up this process. Get to packing a little faster. Yeah. Instant camera mount, that was awesome. And for the clothes, there's actually a closet, a real closet, but it's kind of sketchy because there's open electrical in there. So you don't want wet clothes hitting that open electrical. Open electrical stuff, pretty sketchy. Yeah, that seems kind of weird to hang up your clothes with all the live electrical going on. Very scary. All right, I think we are on to packing up food. And I didn't put my bathroom stuff in here yet. Okay, I need to figure out some camera mount places. Make this easier. Some leftover mac and cheese. I just chefed up some chicken breasts, just some seasoning. Got peppers and onions, some leftover rice, and some teriyaki sauce. And so we can have some sort of a dinner tonight. Chicken on top for all you restaurant workers. Chicken on top. That's just how it goes. Rice, condiments. We need stuff like salt and pepper, just like random little things. Hopefully it's all in the camping gear. All right, I found that mount spot. Might be good for a time warp as we're driving there. You can see Shasta sitting here. see me driving along. Yeah, headed out to Indian Creek Reservoir. Turtle Rock Disc Golf Park is right across the street practically. Gonna get a bunch of shots for tough outfitters, and gonna do our first night in the van, camping. We're gonna go to dispersed camping on BLM land. Pretty much free camping. Can't have campfires right now, but that's why we're trying out van life. So this will be the first night camping out in the van. Had it about a week now. Still got a lot of cleaning up to do. But yeah, gotta go get some shots, make some videos. Yay! Let's go get some gas and be on our way. Good girl, Shasta. My trusty co-pilot, Shasta. Crystal will be meeting us out there for a sunset round of disc golf after she's done with some homework and school stuff. Here we go. Well, we're not there yet, but I wanted to film this sign. So we're gonna get some shots of the sign. And hey, a shot of the van. Just got out here to Indian Creek Reservoir. They had a notice that said there's a toxic algae bloom going on. So no swimming, no dogs are allowed to swim in there or drink the water. So that's kind of a bummer for a Shasta girl. It's like 100 degrees out here. I guess I should keep this door closed to keep the cool air in the van. And I should probably put up some sunshades in the van. The whole place is to ourselves right now. Just gonna get some face mask shots, and then I think I'm gonna go pay for a campsite over at Turtle Rock, just because there might be a flowing stream of fresh water the Shasta can play in and drink from, and there's probably gonna be a lot more shade over at Turtle Rock Campground. This place doesn't have very much shade. Yeah, toxic algae blooms. Just don't think we'll be hanging out here. Just went out and got some shots for the face mask, and I realized I forgot a cord or a card reader to plug in the camera to the computer so I can edit shots on the go. I can't believe I forgot that, and I don't have an extra one with me. That is just criminal. Criminal, I tell you. What was I thinking? But I got the little van studio, camera gear, computer setup. It's not ideal. I'm like stretching across to like edit. And I just got my little screen. It's not my 2-screen setup. I guess there's always a passenger chair, but I don't have a desk in front of it. Gonna have to figure something out. I was thinking about just making the bed and standing up where Shasta's laying. A stand-up desk. I think it's time to go find a campsite. I don't know if we're staying here or hanging out at Turtle Rock. Me and Shasta girl just got to Turtle Rock campsite number 7. But I think I'm gonna set up the easy up and the table and some chairs and make a little camp. Crystal should be here in just a little bit. Got camp all set up. Little camp kitchen outside. Check out the old videos. Not new to YouTube, but new to van life.